Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hyagree Foundation. So in the previous class we have seen about question tags. So today we are going with a fresh topic, active and passive voice. So active and passive voice plays a very important role in your high school. So it carries almost 2 marks. So and here in active and passive voice, in active voice, subject plays a main role. In active voice, subject plays a main role. In passive voice, the object plays the main role. So, in active voice, subject plays main role. In the passive voice, the object plays main role. So, here we have certain rules for active and passive voice. First, for example, I am taking here a sentence. They built this bridge in 1986. So let it be our example sentence. They built this bridge in 1986. So now they is nothing but the subject. So whenever the subject plays the main role, it is nothing but the active sentence. So here let us see what are the changes we are going to make in the active sentence to be changed into passive voice, and that will be a vice versa for passive to active voice. So listen. So first, the thing you have to do at first when you see a sentence from active to passive is to identify the subject and object. So in the sentence, first you have to identify subject and object. This is the first thing what you have to use in the active to passive one. So here in the given sentence, the subject is they. They built this bridge. So what they did, the action on which it happened, that is nothing but the object. So this bridge is the object. So we have identified the subject and object. So that is the first step in the changing from active to passive voice. So I identified the subject they and object this bridge. The next one, you have to identify the tense form, means the verb. So what is the verb here? Action word built. So built is the verb, and you have to identify one more thing, in which tense it is, whether it is a present, past or other types of tense. So here this is a past tense. Built. Built is a past tense. So I identified the tense, past. Okay. Next one you have to do is you should interchange the subject and object. So object should take up the subject position, and then you should use the respective verb change. So we have find out, right, this is the past tense. So what change should be done in the verb, that one we should do here. And the next one is subject should take up object position, and before using this you have to add up a preposition by. This is very important. When you know the subject, you can do the use by, or else sometimes we don't know the person, or else we don't need to give importance to the subject. That time it is not required. Like someone has stolen my purse. I don't know who has stolen my purse. So someone. So I don't know the person. That time it is not required. Okay. So when you know the subject, when you are going to give importance to the subject, you should use the by agent. When there is no importance for the subject, or else when you don't know who did the action particularly, there is no need of by agent. So these are the changes what we are going to make in the active to passive. So again same from passive to active we will do the same changes. So first you have to identify the subject and object. Next you have to identify the verb and the verb is in which tense. And then the next one you have to interchange the subject and object. Object should come in subject place and then subject we should put it into the object place. Next one you have to do the respective verb change and then you have to use the word by. So when you know the person we are going to use the word by and then this should be the pronoun. It should be a personal pronoun. They should be changed into personal pronouns. Okay. Now let us see the passive voice for this particular sentence. So as I said, we identified subject, object, everything. So now I am going to use this object in the subject position. So what is the object here? This bridge. So this bridge I should write in the subject place. And next is the verb. The verb we used here is built. So built is a past tense. So we are going to use the respective auxiliary verb for the past tense. So this bridge is singular. So I am going to use the word was. Was is a singular past auxiliary verb. So this bridge was, and the V3 form, V3 is nothing but the past participle form of the verb. So V3 form of the word built is nothing but built. So this bridge was built, and here we are going to introduce the by agent. By. By whom? The subject now we are going to put into the object place. So by, here it is given they. So the personal pronoun for they is them. So they changed into them. So this bridge was built by them, and the final one in 1986. So this 1986 you can write even in the beginning. In 1986 this bridge was built by them, or else you can use at the last. This bridge was built by them in 1986. So here one more thing you have to note down in active and passive voices, the verb change, tenses we have given, no? So tenses. So now we will clarify about this tense changes, what we are going to make in the active and passive voice, which plays a major role in changing of active to passive voice. So this is the very important part in the sentence. The subject object interchange, it happens normally, but this part, this verb changing and adding of auxiliary verb, it plays a very important role in active and passive voice. So for this we have a short trick. So that is what we are going to see now. So these are the examples what we have seen for active to passive voice. So now let us recall what are the things we have seen in this active and passive voice. The first thing you have to note down is the subject and object, and then we have to interchange the subject and object, and then the next thing is the verb change. So once you place that object in subject position, you have to use this verb changes. So depend on the tense, I have given the table also. So in this you can make the changes, and then after the verb change you have to use the preposition by, and then the noun should be changed into the personal pronoun. Okay, so that is what about active and passive voice. So if it is from passive to active, just vice versa, just you should change from the same. Here you change it subject and object, here the object should go to subject place. So that is what. Let us see one example for that passive to active voice also. So let us take the passive sentence from the previous example itself. A letter. So here, so as same. So first you have to identify subject and object by agent. Okay. So then you should interchange. So here him is given. So this should be changed into noun. Personal pronoun should be changed into noun. So this sentence is passive voice. I am going to change it into active now. Okay. One example is enough to change everything. So now him should be changed to he, and then again verb change. So he is brought. In the table, if you refer to the table, you can make it easier. The verb is brought, present tense of brought is bring. And he is third person singular, so I have to add yes along with the verb. So he brings. What he brings? A letter. So this should come to the object position. That's it. Again we have got the question what we given in the active. So very easy. If you know active to passive, passive to active is just vice versa. And let us now see about the personal pronouns for few nouns. Like if it is I, the personal pronoun for I is me. If it is you, personal pronoun for you is you itself. And if it is he, personal pronoun for he is him. And she, personal pronoun for she is her. And if it is they, personal pronoun for they is them. If it is we, personal pronoun for we is us. Okay, so these are the changes what we made in the noun to personal pronoun for active voice to passive voice. So if it is passive to active, again if it is me in the sentence, I. So letter is brought by him, it is given. If it is me, it nothing but I brought a letter, I bring a letter. Okay, so that is what the changes from active to passive voice. In the next class, we'll see with a new topic. Thank you.